Okay, I'm going to be demonstrating the Cheetah bead seeder tool. This one's made by TSI. There are Chinese copies. I would not recommend them because you are dealing with air pressure. And these tanks need to be certified. And that is certified, as we can see there. Basically what it is it's designed to blow air very quickly into that part right there of the tire down past the bead and blow the tire up really quickly to get it to seat on the rim. This can be used on car tires, tractor tires, anything you got. It's a pretty simple device. I just got to get mine completely filled with air and I'll be right back with you. One of the things that's nice about having a bead seating tool is you don't need a large air compressor. A lot of times what you can do is put an air chuck on there, take the valve core out, and just give it a whole bunch of air pressure. These small tires will blow up like a balloon and pop on the bead anyway. But that doesn't always work, and even if it did, not everybody has a big compressor. So this allows you to use even the weeniest little compressor like this, or any compressor really, as long as you got a lot of time on your hands to let this whole tank fill up. It's 5 gallons, I think. It's CH5, yeah, 5 gallons. It will take you, a compressor like that, I think it takes like 15-20 minutes probably to fill it, because it's such a small little compressor. But nevertheless, I can still do all the work because this thing is a storage tank, and it'll give me the same pressure no matter how fast I had filled it. On mine, I put a quick disconnect here, so I can just plug it in like an air tool. And then basically, for those that don't know what a bead is, the bead is the part of the tire right down in here, and there's a little lip, there's a raised area, the opposite side of this. There's a raised area, and that tire has to get up over it and be between this and the lip. And it's not easy to do that. Sometimes they pop right on, sometimes they won't pop on at all. So what this tool does is it'll give a quick shot of air down in here and blow up that tire like a balloon. And as it does, this will close off, preventing overinflation. The tool is designed, this is designed to rest on the rim, and this is designed to blow the air in. So let me show you what that looks like when we do it. And this happens in a split second. You open the valve, you open this valve here, and it lets out the entire tank of air in you know, a blink of an eye, and should seat both of those beads top and bottom and give you a little bit of inflation pressure at the same time. Right now I've just got mine to about 80 psi on a small tire. I think that'll do good enough. I'm tired of waiting for my little compressor to fill it. But you know, you could go up to 125. It'll do it. So let's see how this goes. And you better have your footing pretty good when you go to put this air in there. I've got it mostly on there. It didn't pop the whole way. I guess I should have put the whole 100 pounds in. But let's see if it'll fill now. Yep, bottom bead just popped. Top bead's coming up. There it goes. And we just fill it up to our recommended pressure. Pressure's at 10. I'm going to give it like 12 or 13 just to get the tire to stretch. I usually just run them about 12. There we go. Fully seated, both sides. And we didn't have to work that hard.